Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing this super cute, sleek, half up, half down. Half up, half downs are my go-to hairstyles, especially when I want my hair out of my face. So what better way to do a half up, half down than with a twist? Because honey, this hairstyle is giving. Let me know down in the comments below if you have a go-to hairstyle, whether that's wash and goes, twist style, slick buns, whatever it is. Let's go ahead and engage down in the comment section. So if you're interested in watching this video, let's get right into it. Okay, so starting off, this is how my hair is looking. I went to the gym this morning, so I just ended up doing like a half up, half down type of style. So basically, I'm just gonna be taking down my hair, and I'm actually gonna put this back piece into a ponytail so that it could be out of the way. And now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take my rat tail comb, and I'm just gonna try to do a middle part. I naturally have a middle part, but we're gonna try to get it as straight as possible. I am not the best at parting, so it's probably not going to be straight, but we're gonna get it done. And then I'm gonna use my alligator claw clip. I'm just gonna clip this side away. And now I am going to part a smaller parting in the front. Ow. Okay, so this is fine. It doesn't have to be a very wide parting. I prefer, for this particular style that I'm doing, I prefer to have a smaller parting so that my ponytail could be a little bit more full compared to me having a wider parting and my ponytail not being that full. So we're gonna do the same exact thing to this side. And we're just gonna part it down this way. I feel like I missed a piece of hair. I did. I apologize if I sound a little bit sick. As I mentioned in my last video, I am still battling a cold, so my voice goes in and out, but that's okay. So now I got this parting, and basically what we're gonna do now is we're just going to put this section up. I'll just use this elastic right here, and we're gonna clip this side out of the way. Oh, I put that too high. Clip this out of the way. Clip this side out the way. I think it's equal. And now basically what we're gonna be doing is, because my hair is a little bit short, I do feel that it is sometimes a little bit harder for me to achieve like a little pullback. So I'm basically going to take out the back of my ponytail, and I'm just going to part just a little bit of parting in the back just to help me slick down the front, and that way I'm not reaching and pulling so much from the back. So we're just gonna part a small parting, and this one doesn't have to be perfect. It could literally just be a small little parting. So let me show you how that looks. So this is how it looks. Literally, it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to look the best. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to mold it to see if that parting is good. Yep. So as you guys can see, my hair doesn't have to do so much reaching and pulling. We're trying to just, let me show you guys. We're trying to just reach these two, because then it would just be the small piece. But by me pulling down on this side with this piece of hair and putting it on this side with this piece of hair, it allows me to tie the back way easier than it would be if I didn't do that little trick back there. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my favorite gel, which is the Extreme Wetline Gel. You can go in with a gel of your choice. I just like this gel because it gets my hair the slickest, and this is my favorite gel. So. And when I'm doing anything that requires a slick hairstyle, I like my hair to be slick. So of course you don't have to add this much gel to your hair, but I love when my hair is nice and slick. So now I'm just gonna go in with my edge brush to brush that down. And as you guys can see, I didn't even have to use water on my hair to help it slick down. Usually I would need water, but the wetline gel does my hair so much justice that I don't even need water. So now I'm just taking my alligator clip and clipping that part back so I can do the same exact steps to this side right here. By the way, you guys, look how much definition I have, and I literally only have one product in my hair, literally, and that's actually one of my favorite leave-in creams. So I only have a leave-in cream in my hair right now. I do plan on making a video to share with you guys that particular routine with just one cream, so be on the lookout for that. So right now I'm just slicking my hair down, and I'm just making sure that everything looks up to par and up to normal. Take this claw clip and we're going to put it back there, and now we're really going to mold the hair how we want it to lay. This is an important part because however you mold your hair to lay is how it's going to be tied. So if I see that my hair has a little bit more trouble laying down, I just go in with a little bit more gel. Let's put the brightness down just a little bit. Okay, I just go in with a little bit of gel, and then I go ahead and slick that down. And you just want to repeat this motion until you feel like you don't have any lumps or humps. That piece of hair doesn't belong there. All right. Okay, so now I'm going to take my black rubber band. So I like to go in with a black rubber band and to tie those two pieces to the back. So now I'm just taking out the alligator clips, and we're just going to assemble those pieces together. Now this is up to you on how tight or loose you want it. I would definitely recommend doing it at a comfortable non-tension tightness if you can. So what I like to do is I like to pull sometimes some of the back hairs out. I mean, because you won't really see that anyways because this is a half down, so some of your hair is going to be down and covering it. That way it doesn't cause so much tension on my neck hairs. So my hair is nice and secured, but I still like to go in and brush that side down and brush this side down. And now we're just going to take down the ponytail. I'm trying to figure out if what I have parted in the back is the amount of hair that I want, and it seems to be just right. So what I'm actually going to do now is just put the back again into a ponytail with my scrunchie so that I could work on the ponytail section. So for the ponytail, I'm also going to be adding gel, and I like to add gel around the perimeter of my hair because that's the part of my hair that is going to be slick. And you just want to make sure you don't mess up this particular part. I should probably did the ponytail first before going in and doing the front sections, but that's okay. This piece of hair right here, gonna put a little bit of water. And I like to use a headband, so I buy a 6-pack headband from Target, and basically I just use a headband because that's what I feel like holds my hair the best. So the front is getting mixed up, but we're gonna fix that in a second. So now again, this is just going to depend on your liking of how tight you want it. I do have a smaller piece of hair on top, meaning my ponytail doesn't have much hair into it. So I'm gonna have to put this as tight as possible because that's just how I like my ponytails to be. So now that this is how my ponytail is looking, so now we're gonna go back in and we're gonna fix the front really quickly. If you need to, you can also use a bobby pin to help you secure your hair, which I might end up doing, but I just want to see first how my hair is looking. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges and come back and show you guys the finished look. Okay, so this is how my edges are looking. I am not the best with doing my edges, so that's the reason why I didn't really need to record it. So I just did 2 swoops on each side, and then I pulled out my sideburns a little bit. So now I'm just gonna take out the back of my ponytail, and we're just gonna fluff this out. So I don't have my pick with me, so I'm just using my boyfriend's beard comb. But if you do have a wide tooth comb, that would definitely work as well. And basically, when I'm trying to get more volume at my roots, you want to make sure that you're not disturbing the curls. You want to make sure that you're going in like at the roots and lifting. So roots and lift, roots and lift. And basically, this is how the finished results are looking. My go-to hairstyle is a half up, half down. So I'm really loving this style. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you're someone that's always looking for hairstyle inspiration, I'm the girl for you, okay? You guys can follow me on Instagram, or just go ahead and view my page on Instagram, which is at Crownedin.curlsss. It'll be here on the screen. I do all things natural hair, so natural hair content, how to style your hair, how to get beautiful, luscious, defined curls. So if you're interested in that, you guys can definitely go ahead and view that, as well as on TikTok. It's the same name, which is at Crownedin.curlsss. If you made it this far into the video, I appreciate you for watching. And what you waiting on? You might as well go ahead and subscribe, because that means you like my vibe. Anyways, you guys have a beautiful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next one.